Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from A Matter of Crime, and the title of the video is Mother Arrested for Forcing 5-year-old to Steal Toys. Wow, that's crazy. Steal toys, man?
Oh my, just don't have my receipt. Oh my God, I didn't steal anything.
So you weren't bagging the stuff up in the toy section?
No.
Okay, we're all gonna go to the security office right now.
Don't put me in handcuffs.
Do you remember wanting something so badly as a kid that it was all you could think about? That one toy you couldn't have, but it felt like it was made just for you? Now, imagine this. Instead of hearing, "Not today," your mom says, "Go ahead, pick whatever you want, and we don't even have to pay." Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, that's exactly what happened in today's episode. A mother took her 5-year-old daughter on a shoplifting spree, letting her pick out all the toys she wanted. Here's what happened next.
Eat already. Oh my God, I didn't steal anything. My car, then look for my receipt. I dropped it. I've already been to this aisle. I didn't steal. I'm here all the time.
Okay, where's your receipt?
I dropped it then. I didn't steal anything.
So you weren't bagging the stuff up in the toy section?
No.
Then what, I guess I was imagining things then.
Yeah, you were. I was not.
All right, just hang tight. So, why don't we go into the security office and
Let me put my daughter in the car then.
Huh?
Let me just put her in the car.
No. Okay, we're all gonna go to the security office right now and review the footage.
I'm not putting her in front of my kid.
Okay. Stop.
Please don't put me in handcuffs. Okay, don't put me in handcuffs. Don't put me in handcuffs.
Stop.
Okay, don't put me in handcuffs.
Stop.
Okay, don't put me in handcuffs.
I will put you in handcuffs because you're not listening and you're walking away from me.
I'm not.
I'm detaining you right now.
I'll give you my. I'll buy it again. I have my debit card.
Too late.
I will give you. I bought that, and I will give you my debit card.
Please don't put my mom in jail. Please. Please, officer. Please, officer. Please don't put my mom in jail.
You please
All right.
go and I'll walk off.
No.
Please.
We're going to the security office right now.
Okay.
So we can review. It's okay, sweetie. It was by part 11 when it's
Can I at least pay for it again?
right now? No.
Yeah, why? I've already paid for it. I've already paid for it. Sir, I paid for it.
We'll see.
Okay, but I've been in here twice today. Please let me pay for it again then. I have money.
We're gonna watch the video.
Okay, and then what?
And then if you concealed stuff without paying for it, then you're probably gonna go to jail.
But I have the money for it.
It doesn't matter. The crime was already committed.
They always try to do that. They steal something and then they get caught. Then they say, "Oh, I'll pay for it." Should have paid for it the first time.
Sir, but I'll pay for it.
It's a little late. It's too late for that.
Come on, look what you're doing to my kid. Can I please just...
Yes.
Can I just pay for whatever you're thinking I took?
No, it's too late.
No, it's not. Please.
Stop.
Why are you
Just
being
stop.
so mean? I'm not moving
Have a
from you,
seat.
but you need to let go
Have
of
a
my
seat.
arm.
Please.
Have a seat with mommy.
You don't want mommy to go to jail.
I'm not, because I already bought this stuff. I bought those 2 things earlier.
Boston, forget the kid. It's gonna be a lot.
It's not a lot. I have the receipt.
Okay, mommy, I don't want you to go to jail.
I have the receipt.
Where's
It's
the
not
receipt?
there.
Where's
it,
the-
it was in the bag, dude. It's not in my
Sit down, calm down.
body. That's not
Well, then,
fair.
if it's in the bag, then we'll find it. Sit down, calm down.
That's not
Sit
fair.
down.
I didn't steal anything. I didn't steal anything, dude.
Who is this?
My husband.
My wife in there?
Do you have a little
Do you
girl?
have the other receipt? Do you have the other receipt to show them? Please.
What's going on?
Where's my mommy?
So, your wife, we believe that your wife has concealed items.
Okay.
I gave her a
Okay.
gift card.
Okay, calm down. She's being detained right now. We're going to review the video. Okay? Do you have a receipt for the items?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well,
Is-
no, I
do
gave
you have
her a
another
gift. I gave
receipt?
her a gift card.
I understand. But do you have a receipt for the toys and stuff that she had?
Oh, I have no idea.
Okay. So,
Whatever it is, I'll buy it.
just hang tight. Sweetie. Sweetie, you can come out with your daddy. Here.
Got the receipt for those other things. I had it in a bag. I'll pay for it.
Here's the receipt that he has.
There's another one.
Is there a fire 43?
Guys, I promise. There's another receipt. I'm a good person.
Here,
I
let's go.
steal. It's a blanket.
I'm guessing this is your personal blanket.
Yes, and her stuff is in here.
Okay.
Where's her ID?
I don't have it. It's in my car. Did you at least have her baby and her toys that she carries with her? And her
Yes,
stuff?
we'll give them to him. Relax. Calm down.
Sir, I already bought that other stuff, okay? I swear I did. There's my gift. There's my gift.
Calm
card.
down. Sit down.
Sit down.
It's right there. There's my gift card.
What's your last name? Middle initial?
I can see why the kid acts like that. The mom acts just like that. You see how she pouting and whining and damn, are you? I'm trying to figure out who's the 5-year-old here.
Middle initial? I mean, does she not have that? I gave her a gift card.
I understand. Give us a minute. We're going to review the video. Okay? Just give us a minute. Okay?
I'm going to take them to the car. That's all three.
Is there a
Yeah, this little thing right here.
I was going to register. You get my phone.
Middle initial.
I have some money right there. I have
Sit.
some money.
Sit.
Please give me a chance
Sit.
to pay for it.
It's too late for that.
No, sir, please.
I thought she
don't take
paid
me
for
to
it
jail.
already. What
Stupid
happened?
friggin' squishmallows! I was gonna pay for them!
You just admitted you were gonna pay for them. You just admitted that.
I already had paid. There's my gift
Sit.
card!
There's this right here. Meet me in AP, please.
Just squishmallows, guys. I was going to the register. Please.
Frank, can you copy?
How am I gonna accuse of something I didn't do? I didn't steal all that stuff. I have a receipt,
Relax.
sir.
Calm down.
No, I'm not. Calm down. You did that in front of my kid. I have the receipt for the other things.
No, you stole in front of your kid.
Go for it.
I'm a good person, I promise. I didn't. I won't. Please.
Naples,
I paid for
5
my
Charlie. Naples 5 Charlie 11, 65 by 29 by number.
Whatever you want. I have money.
Hey. This is the third witness.
Alright, you know, I
Come on,
pull the
close the
pallet,
door really quick.
I pull the pallet, like, when I pull the pallet, you know, when somebody is in shop. That's what I see, but I thought she would pay for it, though, you know. That's it, because I thought she would the key,
Oh, I'm sorry. I
Because-
was ignorant.
you know, just like when you pull pallet, you see
I'll have to have you
somebody,
just type a statement. That's all.
Please.
I'm a lunch, so should I
Take me
just,
to
Don't
jail.
push it, man.
Take me to jail. I already bought the other things. Please. You guys are happy about some squishmallows?
Ma'am, I'm never happy about
I know, but
this ever.
I paid for the other things. Can I please go home?
What time did you pay for?
I was here at like 1:26. We came back to get those for the kids.
Sit.
I didn't steal any of
Can
them.
you
I'm
just Mirandize her?
sorry.
Because she's just.
Hmm?
Can you just Mirandize her? 'Cause
Yeah,
she
no.
just keeps.
No, I'll stop then. I'll stop. Can I go home now?
You have my
So, we talked lunch after the statement, okay?
Oh, now she gonna stop. Funny how that works.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to have a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning. If you decide to answer any questions without a lawyer present, you have the right to stop answering at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't get bonded out right away?
Yeah. Unless you're a convicted felon.
Yeah, I am.
Well, then no.
Why are you guys arresting me?
Oh, of course you're a
Over
convicted felon.
Squishmallow? Why are you arresting me?
For theft.
A
Shoplifting.
Squishmallow that I was going to pay for? Alright.
So bypassing the self-checkout.
It's alright, it's alright. My mom's an attorney. Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Write both your names. How is that
Because you
legal?
can't walk out of the store with merchandise.
Your mom's your mom's an attorney, but you're a convicted felon. She can't be that good of an attorney.
I apologize and I was coming right back. I wasn't trying to. I
And
never
they were
stolen
trying to
my
stop
life.
you, and I pulled up in front of
Because he
you.
tried to grab me. Nobody's gonna grab me. I was going to my car. How are you gonna arrest me for this?
Because you passed all points of sale
But I was
without
just
paying for
going back
it.
to get my card out of my
Then you
car.
should have left the card.
Then I apologize.
With her.
So, give me.
I shouldn't be arrested for this. I was getting my other money out of my car. Are you giving me another charge?
Maybe 50.
There are people killing each other here in Naples and worry about me going to get another car. I make plenty of money. I don't need to be freaking accused of theft.
It's going to be at
More money than you guys
5012
do.
Catalina Port, 5012 Catalina Port, 3084.
This is these are the
I tried to-
items.
Yeah.
We don't know what.
Are you okay?
We know this.
What is
We know
Can I at
this
least
is
have my
yes.
debit card back?
All of
My
this?
money?
All this is stolen. We gotta figure this out. I'm 99% sure it's stolen because
It's not.
the story she just told me. But and that we're gonna.
No, it's not though. So you're gonna take my items too? Are you serious? Where's my debit card that I had? My gift card that you guys took?
Can you sit down?
Yeah, but it has $186 on it. That's not fair. I'm being accused of stealing and you're taking my gift card? You guys have to understand.
This is your car copy.
It's 23.
Giving my stuff to my husband.
Yes. Okay. Relax.
No, I'm pissed off. I didn't steal
I understand.
I didn't steal
Let's
anything.
stop
I
yelling
just
at
paid
me.
More money. I have $186 on here. I went to the car. Come on, man.
All right. Before we go, hold on.
Is this
I'm gonna-
first?
Yes. And that blanket and the ID.
Please, let me just give it. Can I please talk to my kids?
Hey.
Please. I didn't steal anything. I was going out to my car.
She acts just like the 5-year-old. Telling you.
Please. Stop. I'm sorry.
Put your-
sorry,
no,
sorry,
get-
sorry.
Put it down.
No, that's
I didn't steal anything. Oh my God.
Give me your hand.
Alright, I'm gonna go get a receipt. All of this is stolen. We have to.
No, it's not.
we just see you on video right now grabbing that vacuum.
Oh my God. No, it was not. I'm not running. I'm not pulling from
Yo, I'm trying to direct you
Well,
where
I'm
you
trying
need to
give my
go.
husband the keys.
I'll give it to him. Stand over there. Go over there. I'll give it to him in a second. I gotta put
No
this
worries.
stuff down.
Oh, search me all you want. I love you. Please call my husband now.
Do you want your phone to go with you?
Yeah. What? All right, tell him I love him, Carl.
Do you want him to have this?
Yeah, it's got all the money on it. Baby, call all out. EMS is coming because I'm starting to detoxing of my Suboxone.
All right, turn around. Widen your stance.
You don't need to kick me.
I didn't kick you.
Yeah, you did.
The suspect was charged with felony grand theft, and it turns out she was already on probation for a previous charge. This incident caused a probation violation, which ultimately led to her serving 365 days in county jail. Do you think she learned her lesson?
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.